Welcome back. In this episode of the Calculus Lecture Series, we're looking at a practice problem of related rates. In this problem, we're told that a little pebble is dropped into a pond and the pond begins to ripple. You know, you throw a little pebble in the pond, it like ripples out a little bit. Well, we are measuring in this problem the ripple as a circle kind of problem, right, for related rates. We're told that the change of the ripple's radius is 1 foot per second, where the radius, we're asked to evaluate when the radius is 4 feet. What is the change of area? So let's define our variables here. We're going to be using area equals pi r squared, radius equals 4 feet. Change in radius per change in time is at that instantaneous rate of change is 1 foot a second. Area, we do not know. And change in area over change in time is what we want to find. So this is what we're working with here. Let's find dA dt. Here's our formula. A equals pi r squared. Pi r squared, we're going to take the derivative. You're going to notice that we're not going to need the area for this, right? So the a, we take the derivative. We need to attach, that's just 1. We need to attach dA dt to that. And then it's going to equal pi. We're going to use power rule here, 2 pi r dr dt. Alrighty, now we can just plug in some variables here to solve for dA dt, and it actually turns out that we don't have to do any rearrangement. So it's literally dA dt is equal to 2 pi, and the radius at the given point, we want to evaluate the change in the area at an instantaneous point, is 4 feet. Dr dt just turns out to 1 foot a second. So notice here the units, we're gonna times a foot unit by a foot unit. That gives us feet squared per second. Feet squared per second is change in area over time, so it works out pretty well. We're gonna type it in here, and we're gonna see that the change in area per unit time is 8 pi feet squared per second. That is the solution to this problem, and I hope you guys enjoyed.